Good, good.
Hapa tuwaletee zawadi. Tunawaletea zawadi kwa sababu tunataka kuhakikisha Wakenya wanaendelea kupata huduma za serikali bila shida. Na zawadi yetu ni kuongezea huduma zaidi ndani ya kituo hiki. Waweze kulaunch huduma za Kenya Institute of Supplies Management, ili wanachama wote ambao ni wa hii institute wale hawana haja ya kwenda Nairobi, lakini wanaweza kupata huduma hizo hapa ndani ya Mombasa.
Our regional chapters here in Mombasa, riding on the Huduma Kenya platform. This launch is not merely an expansion of our service delivery points. It is a culmination of dedicated efforts and a deep understanding of the needs of our over 28,000 members and the wider supply chain profession. The launch is anchored on the KISM Regional Chapters policy approved by the KISM Council in 2024 and has been emulated as a matter of best practice in service delivery to the benefit of the people of Kenya.
We are breaking down geographical barriers and assuring that professionals in all corners of the country can benefit from KISM's wide array of services, including membership registration, certification, and continuous professional development. That's the essence of what we have the KISM machinery here, so that they can curate programs right locally here that suit the needs of the people in this current condition. Furthermore, this launch is anchored deeply with the operationalization of our regional chapters, which has been our commitment to our members since 2020, and today we have anchored properly in our constitution. Because when we started in 2020, it was actually a bit ad hoc that there.
Secretariat, CPMN Kai. As the captain of the Huduma Kenya Service Delivery Program, we hand over this to him so that he continues steering this ship of Huduma Kenya to greater horizon. Thank you, sir. Thank you. This is to appreciate that you continue sending this institution to greater and greater. Let's start with the institution. Let's appreciate here. Thank you so much. So as I hand over, as we rise, that we